These 5 free AI tools can help you make real money online. No coding, no startup cash, no experience needed. Whether you're a student, side hustler, or just AI curious, here's how to turn tools into income. Tool number 1. KoalaWriter.com. Let's start with Koala Writer, a super simple AI blog writer trained specifically for Google SEO. It can write full blog posts, Amazon product reviews, or affiliate content in just minutes. Here's the hustle. Write articles and post them to sites like Medium or your own blog, using platforms like Beehive. Then monetize with affiliate links. You get 5 free tries without a credit card. Tool number 2. Kittl.com. Next is Kittl, an AI design platform perfect for t-shirts, posters, and digital downloads. Create viral-style merch designs, export, and sell on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Gumroad. It has a free tier with hundreds of usable templates and commercial licensing. Tool number 3. Durable.co. Want to start a web design side hustle without coding? Durable builds full AI websites in under a minute. You can generate a mock site and charge small businesses for quick prototypes. The free trial lets you build and preview unlimited websites before paying. Tool 4. Voicemaker.in. Voicemaker turns text into high-quality AI voiceovers. Offer podcast intros, YouTube voiceovers, or even TikTok narrations on Fiverr or Upwork. Their free plan includes 2,500 characters per day with access to premium voices. Tool number 5. Predis AI. And finally, Predis lets you create AI-generated social media content with captions, visuals, and hashtags in seconds. Offer social media content packages to small businesses. Their free plan gives you 15 posts per month. Great for samples or mock-ups. These tools are fast, free, and perfect for building real income streams from your couch. Like this video and subscribe if you want more AI income-based ideas.